All right. I think we live. Let me put this in the chat real quick. Man, happy New Year, guys. Happy Monday. It's January 5th. Feeling blessed to see a new year. Man, 2025 was a good year, okay? A good year of learning. Learned a lot in 2025, so coming to 2026, there's some mistakes I'm gonna try and erase, but guys, let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Let me go ahead and share my screen. Desktop too. Let me see. All right, cool. All right, so before we get into the charts, let's go ahead and pull up Forest Factory. All right, so guys, the first week of the month. So I would say, take it easy. January 5th today, we have ISM news at 9 a.m. No news on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have ADP non-farm and another ISM and job openings. Thursday, unemployment claims, and then Friday, we have NFP. Okay. So, with that being said, I'm really going to be waiting until 9 a.m. to really press any buttons. But let's go ahead and dissect gold really quickly. Okay. Let me just go to Forex really quickly. Delete, delete. All right. All right, guys. So gold is obviously right now is in a clear uptrend, as we can see. We did have, the U.S. went ahead and captured the Venezuela dictator. I'm gonna let Colossal speak on that some more. But with that, gold is looked at as a safe haven. Okay, so I'm definitely bullish on gold, and I'll talk about silver a little bit. Okay, but right now, what I am seeing on the charts is. These are all-time highs that we finally broke through, and we see this big bearish downward close candle. Okay. So now what I'm watching is that this candle, okay, I'm going to treat this as a candle range. You see that we never really closed beneath this candle's low. We just wicked, okay? And now we're printing bullish, okay? So I am bullish. The only thing that I can really see stopping this right now is maybe this daily fair value gap, okay? This could potentially support price lower. Let me go to the 4 hour. Okay. So this could potentially support price lower. Okay. Even up here, we do have this inversion. Okay. 4 hour for value gap right here. Okay. So we can see that this 4 hour for value gap push price up before smacking all the way back down to take liquidity. Okay. We do have some equal lows here. Okay. This building up liquidity. Okay. With that in mind, if we go to the hour, let me go back to the futures now. So you can see that this is how we opened up on Sunday. And as soon as we opened up, I was really eyeing this because when last week closed, we had this sweep of liquidity, okay? And we pushed all the way up, breaking this high that pushed price down to take the low, okay? So to me, this is giving me a structure shift. And then from low to high, we had OTE. And as soon as the markets opened, straight bullishness to go take these equal highs. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to the 15-minute. I believe Colossal caught some sells here, down here to take this liquidity. I'm not sure if he's still in. But right now, what I'm looking for is so from this low, we just had this big impulse, okay? We have not come back to the 50% yet, okay? So low to high. If I'm looking to buy, I want to be buying below 50%, okay? Now, is gold going to get there? I don't know. We have news at 9 a.m. once again. So really just being patient for gold and waiting for the best entry, okay? Silver really quickly. Silver kind of had the same thing, guys. We had these equal lows built up right here. Okay. We see price taking it and then breaking this high that pushed price down to take the low. Okay. Structure shift. And same thing for gold. This higher low, push price up. Okay. So now with silver, could be bullish, could be bearish, but really just, waiting. Okay. The structure looks good so far. So you see that from low to high right here. We hit OTE and printed bullish. So now this is the current range that I am watching. Okay. We do have this Sunday gap. Maybe price wants to come fill it, which is what I was really waiting for on Sunday. But since the market's opened up, price just pushed up. Okay. And then really quickly, let me talk about DXY and then Bitcoin. Okay. So for DXY, I have been bullish for a while. We had these equal highs up here. We see this high push price all the way down to take this low. And once again, when we come to this low, are we breaking and closing beneath it, or are we just wicks? Okay. And then from there, we finally get a push up and we finally have now taken these equal highs. Okay. So with that, we do have this daily for value gap that price is currently in. Okay. So we can see if this wants to potentially push price down. But once again, we really need to wait for news. The fundamentals should be bearish DXY, saying that gold is a safe haven, but the chart, you gotta follow the charts. And right now, this is bullish right now. Okay. So I wouldn't try selling this at all right now. Okay. So that's what I see for DXY. Okay, there's really nothing to do right now. Markets opened up right here on Sunday and straight pushed up to take these equal highs. Okay. So once again, when now we're at this high, same theory. Are we closing above this high aggressively, or are we just gonna wick? And then you see right here, we did have this one wick right here, bearish candle. So let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. Okay. And then really quickly on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, I've been saying that we did have these equal highs built up right here. Okay. Well, which was engineering liquidity. I did say that as long as we stay below 90, I'm going to be bearish, but you can see that we finally closed above 90K. Okay. So I am now back bullish, and now I see price going to these equal highs up here. Okay. So liquidity up here. So with that, guys, I will be looking at MSTR potentially for some calls. And guys, with MSTR, I've been having this weekly fair value gap drawn out for some time. We have come to this weekly fair value gap, and you can see right now, look at these wicks, okay? So it's showing support, okay? So once price opens up, we'll see what will happen. MSTR is in the NASDAQ. So I'll let Colossal and Liquid Extractions break down NASDAQ. But if NASDAQ can get back bullish, Bitcoin can stay bullish, I will be looking to take some MSTR calls. And my first target will be up here at these equal highs. Okay. Okay, so that's like a 9% difference. Okay. I like that this 4-hour has closed bullish. So, and guys, look right here. You see, this is the pre-market price. So on Friday, price closed at 157.36. And right now, the market is potentially going to open up at 163.48. Okay. So that's already a nice big push. So which is already confirming that bullish trend to go take these equal highs. Yeah. All right. Then Ethereum. Yep. Oh, all right. So cool. And guys, I think that's all I got for y'all. So once again, just waiting for gold. We'll be looking at MSTR and then DXY. I'm going to see how we close above this high and react off this daily for value gap. We've already hit the consequent encroachment of this daily fair value gap, and this could potentially be a breaker this whole area. Okay, so we're gonna have to take liquidity and push price down. Area will be very safe. Cool, cool, cool. What's good, guys? How y'all doing, man?
Yo, man, how you doing?
Yeah, man, chilling, feeling blessed, man.
Bright and early back to it.
I know, right?
Let's
Don't stop.
get this
Cool. So,
chicken.
who wants to go next?
Uh, are you able to? Casey, I don't have my computer with me right now.
Y'all hear me?
Yep, yep.
Speaking the whole time. No worries. Um, so we get straight into it on NASDAQ, and that was a good down by professed liquidity. So with NASDAQ, we're really in this range, guys. Let's go on a weekly chart. So we're really in this weekly range from this low. First, we're just going to identify that range. This low to high, that's kind of where we are um, on a weekly chart. So you can see us dancing around. This is a 50% level. So I'm watching to see if price wants to return to the 50% level. We're really in this weekly range from low to high. And until we leave that range, we gotta, keep considering the PD arrays that exist within it. And what I see here is a weekly volume balance here, right? And then we have a weekly fair value gap here. So I'm really watching how price bounced around the area. You kind of see how it traded outside of it here and came back below, hit it again. Look how the candles closed respecting that. And now we're kind of pushing away. So do we keep on dropping lower or do you find a way higher? Not really being able to, I'm not really able to determine that right now based off this weekly chart, but these are just the levels I'm watching. I'm watching as price gets these levels at certain times. I will then execute a sales or buys. So really within the range on a weekly chart. Daily chart, you can see how that reacted like on Friday. Price trade into that range, into that weekly volume balance at an appropriate time, and then we saw price drop. So this opening, prices around here during New York time, which then led to this drop here in price. But then what I am watching again is again just 200 levels here on the daily chart. We have this daily fair value gap up here. This price make its way there. We also have a volume balance here on the daily chart. So I'm really just watching these levels. And I didn't really draw it out, but we are seeing some type of reaction already. But you can consider here bullish daily order block right here. So price has tapped that. Alerts. Okay. So price has tapped that right here. And we're seeing price kind of take off from here. I'll draw this out real quick. All right. And we're seeing price kind of take off as it hit this level. So does it go from here and then keep going higher, take out these highs? That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. That drop from Friday. Perhaps we do make a move back higher, take out these highs here, and potentially run to those highs up here. And on the forward chart, we're kind of seeing price dropped aggressively lower. We hit this 4-hour order block right here. Notice how price didn't trade below the body. And then we rejected it. So do we make our way higher? I'm kind of leaning more bullish at the moment. And we do have these highs up here that we could potentially hit. Go on the 1-hour chart. Again, I just see price trying to make its way higher. But in order for me to get in line with any bulls, any actual buys, I would like to see price at least maybe drop a little lower, below like midnight opening price, and then find its way higher. I don't want to just jump in buys here since it's ready. We're all the way up here already. So if I'm waiting for like 8:30, 9:30, pretty much 9:30 every time opening price, I want to see price ideally. If I want to buy this, I want to see it drop lower first. Maybe taking out these lows. Then drop it into this level here, which is a new week opening gap. Essentially, you see price close here on Friday. They open up here on Sunday. So I'm really watching that. It's this price drop in here, then give me a reason to buy. If it just keeps going up, I'm not gonna really care to buy this thing. So for Nasdaq, I just want to see a sweep lower, and then I'll be willing to take some buys. Until then, I'll just be on the sidelines for Nasdaq specifically, and then see if price wants to gravitate higher. So I'm leaning more bullish, but in order for me to be a bull, I want to see an opposite reaction first. Price drop lower first. Okay. Um, and then S&P as well. And you kind of see S&P is already near these highs here. So same idea. In order for me to be bullish, I do want to see prices drop lower, drop into a new opening gap, which again, when you see NWOGH on my chart, is identifying a Friday close and then a Monday opening price. Okay? Because the market goes on Friday and open on Monday. So I want to see price hit these levels as support and then make its way higher. So I can see these clear equal highs here on S&P as levels where I want to see price potentially hit. So I'm leaning bullish on Nasdaq, leaning bullish on the S&P 500. I'm just waiting to see some pullback in order for me to actually take some buys. So it's very simple for me, very straight to the point. I'm looking for some buys, but can I see some pullback first? If I don't see a pullback, then I'm not interested in taking any buys. But these highs here are the targets on S&P, and then for Nasdaq, we want to see if we can get these highs as well. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm watching, and that's what I'll be paying attention to as we trade into session. Obviously, we have these levels here that can easily stop price. So if you're more advanced, there might be a trade in here, but the bigger trade is probably the buys. But if you're advanced, you can probably find some shorts in here as 9:30 opening price takes place. There might be some shorts, opportunity to take some shorts and drop prices to these lows, and then also take buys. That's a more advanced situation there. So I'll be very straightforward. Let's take it easy. It's Monday, the first trading week of the year, and it's NFP as well. So take the profits, take your partials, get out the way. You know what I mean? Conquer the charts. Don't make it too complicated.
Solid, bro. Solid, solid, solid. What do you think
Agree.
about gold, man?
Um, Gold, I do want to see it drop, but you know, it could go higher. But I do want to see it drop first.
Yeah, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. You already cashed out on the sales. You're out full.
Yeah, I'm really good on it.
Solid, solid, solid. Solid, guys. So shit. Might just stay on here, maybe all morning, low key, and just see what 9 a.m. We have an hour. Oh shit, I got a meeting on the hour. Yeah. Ooh.
Mm-hmm. 9 a.m. news may push price down.
Oh, my fault. I realized I muted myself. Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
My fault. I was saying what I'm eyeing on gold actually is I want to see this level can still deliver some more shorts. But the trade I did call, the trade I was in, was some shorts from this 5 minute fair value gap here. And it dropped to a key level here. Again, a new week opening gap from December 29th. It hit that and we have turned around. Now from here, do we keep going bull if possible? For me to be fully convinced on that, I do want to see us trade above this 5 minute fair value gap. If we can close above here, then we're probably going to see higher prices. But even if you look on a 1 minute chart, it's having some nice, like clean momentum. Hit this low, went higher, dropped lower, went higher. Fair value gap right here. And now we explode to this level. So it's a nice little movement we're seeing on gold. The question is, do we have more momentum to trade above this 5 minute fair value gap? If we do, we might see price keep on trading higher. But I'm also watching this one out fair value gap. Does this one also hold price? That's even the reason I was short to begin with. Um, but again, this is a very interesting market here on gold. If it goes higher, I do want to see 4462. And until we overcome here, I'm still kind of like not fully bullish on gold yet, but obviously all the stuff happening internationally, it's hard to go against that grain. So I'm just going off of what I see on price structure though, knowing damn well when you're short, you need to kind of be quick to get out your positions because it could turn on any time. But if I'm looking at gold here, what I do want to see, I still want to see this thing. Uh, it's an interesting spot, bro.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Ain't nothing really to do right now.
Yeah. So it has this range from high to low, high to low. This is the range I'm looking at.
Yep.
And we just traded in this 4 hour range higher. So do we then start, selling off here? Let's go on a weekly chart real quick. Into this level, is it necessary? Maybe not. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. It's like, we also have this daily fair value gap. Does this trade into here? And then we now see drop one more time before that actually making the real full move higher. That's kind of what I'm eyeing. Um, so for me, I'm not really gonna go fully bullish on gold. It is just for me until we get above this 1 hour fair value gap, at least from a higher time frame perspective. I want to see us get above here. In the near term, like for today, I'm really watching this 5 minute level as well. Like, do we trade above that aggressively? That'll probably give us a boost to then using that support and then keep pushing higher.
Yeah, silver right now is making a higher highs, pushing aggressively. I don't pull that up.
I'll even stop sharing. Uh,
Oh, no, you can pull it up. Silver.
no, I was just gonna stop sharing.
Oh, okay, but
If I can. All right, cool. Oh yeah, silver's gone. Wee, silver is out of there.
yeah, it's out there.
Jeez. Silver is out of there, Brody. I'm
It's gone. It's gone. So this is the next target for
saying if
silver.
if if so the crazy thing is again, if silver doing this, if gold is not falling through, it could be interesting. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? But I think gold probably just fall through with silver. Silver is going dummy right now.
yeah, it's going dummy. Even I think platinum, yeah, platinum is on its way higher too. And platinum got these equal highs up here. Yeah, so bullish. Yeah.
And dollar just hit previous day's highs and started rejecting. So
Oh, there we go, guys. Yep. So once again, guys, I was saying I want to see how this 4 hour closes and look at that wick. Daily for value gap consequent encroachment is holding. So I think that looks good. That means let's see euro now. Euro has I think it hit that daily order block. Yep. Wow, it's beautiful. So this is what I was eyeing yesterday. Yours hit this daily order block and also in a daily for value gap. So now I'm really curious on how the 9 a.m. news will make price react. That's a nice hour candle. Yeah, that's nice. So now on the 15 minute in these goddamn meetings. Flashbang. So guys, we've taken out this high on DXY. What I'm going to be watching is we do have this fair value gap. Maybe we can inverse this. But if we can have something like this, create some type of lower high, then maybe we can push down something like this. And now I'll be looking at this right here as liquidity. Yeah, but did like guys, that's what I was saying. Waiting for that 4 hour to close to see how price closes. I think it can get ugly. Yeah, that's clean. Gold's still pushing. So guys, if DXY even starts dropping, I think that would be really good for gold to really start pushing. Silver's already leading the way, so
Gold is probably gonna push
yeah, it's pushing.
momentum.
Let me see. We had a liquidity grab down here. Maybe this can be treated as an order block, maybe, but it's looking really good. Let me talk about US 30 really quickly. All right, US 30. Man, let me see. So 30 right now. We are in this daily for value gap. That's holding that support. Holding that support. We did have a liquidity grab down here. Okay, and we also had this nice 4 hour order block right here. Last two downward close candle that filled in this imbalance order block. Touched it once, pushed up, came back. This can probably be a kiss of death turtle soup. One last liquidity grab. And then now for us to push higher potentially. 15 minute. Let me turn on my midnight opening. So 15 minute liquidity grab. That's actually ugly. Low to high, no 50%. Do have a lot of liquidity built up right here. These equal highs up here. Equal highs up here. Um, and even right now, it looks like we've have taken this Asian lows. Yeah, we've taken out Asian lows. And we've now made a new higher high. So for US 30, potential buys could be if price wants to maybe retrace back somewhere here into these last two downward close candles that can be used as an order block. And then we can go take out that equal high. So this is what I'll be looking at for US 30 potentially. That's all I can see happening. Equal highs up there, equal highs up here as well. So yeah, definitely bullish US 30. Once again, guys, we have news at 9, so let's just see what happens. Oh, this is interesting. One, two. Yeah, so there's some SMT going on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Ethereum, right now for Ethereum, Bitcoin right now. That should be inverse. He's out of there. Q. Potential order block, maybe. That open in. Finally, this meeting's over. Oh my goodness, corporate America. Talking about nonsense. Was good, Kingsley. Stick about
Uh,
30, man.
you got a meeting coming up or something?
No, yeah, I just finished it.
Oh wow.
No, they talking about nothing.
Exactly.
Nothing at all. All right, cool. So now I have all morning. I'm gonna just chill here. I got all morning to trade.
Gold looks good.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, it looks
One there's
great.
a strong SMT, obviously 930 opens on the corner, but
Yeah.
we still need to get we haven't got that 5 minute close outside that fair value gap, but
Okay.
you know,
This is what you're monitoring right here. So five.
starts if it starts coming back lower, then maybe it will sell, but the buys do
Yeah.
look good on the 1 minute structure
Yeah. Yeah.
now. Gold.
Silver doing higher
Like
high.
silver punch way higher and gold did not,
Yeah.
which is
SMT.
mhm.
Let me pull up this volume profile really quickly.
That's a good little workout this morning. This little cardio this morning, man. Sticking to the 75-day hard, man. Sticking to that
Yeah.
plan.
Oh yeah, same. And yeah, cardio is really best in the morning. You haven't eaten anything, straight using your fat as fuel.
Yep.
All right,
About
let's
to lift some weights in the evening.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's see how DXY reacts in here. I want to get a potential inverse or potential lower high. Weekly charts. That was a small weekly fair value gaps. This CRT has been completed. Yeah, on DXY. The CRT got completed. Weekly CRT, 4 hour price action. Yeah.
Liquid, man. What you people from your side? Are you on the charts or what's your take right
Honestly,
now? Hmm?
on the time frame is this? On the 30 minutes on NASDAQ, we are definitely in one of, I would say, two PD arrays that can dictate where price goes from here before news actually releases. But I think we go higher, bro, because this whole retracement here, I don't think this is an actual price move. I think this is engineered liquidity. Honestly, and truthfully speaking.
I agree. I agree, man.
But then
For sure.
depending on how price moves, I think we all should get ate up by today though. But this is no real, just no real movement. This is just noise.
That's how I feel too. That's why I'm like, I can't really just press buy.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see it fall a little bit first, and you know, then I'll be willing to sell. I mean, to buy. Just really just pushing. What's S&P doing? Everything's pushing. Gold, silver, Nasdaq, everything's going up.
So what's supposed to go down?
That's what I'm saying.
DXY needs to drop it like it's hot, man.
Bitcoin going up too? Shit.
Hmm?
I wonder if Bitcoin's going up too.
Stagnant right now. We're in an inverse 15-minute loop zone. I'm
Well, it go finally got that close outside that 5 minute fair value gap.
seeing. Oh, you're solid. Where do I have that marked out at?
Now it has that 15-minute ones contend with, but still got
Yeah,
that
so
close.
a pullback would be so nice.
It'll pull back to midnight open. That's what I
Yeah.
want.
For NQ.
Hmm. It's funny because I tried to pop in sales last night and I
Oh my God,
felt the
silver's out.
interruption in price
Oh my God,
on the
this
sale.
silver is out of there. Oh man.
Silver just be going. It's very interesting though with this gold thing. Like gold not pushing though, it's like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Definitely always something fishy going on.
Something always fishy with gold, bro. Something always fishy with gold.
Looks like DXY is about to go lower. Yeah, no strong pullback. Come on.
Mhm.
What's this? Okay, so yeah, might be going. Yeah, I want to go bearish DXY. I want to go bearish DXY. Oh, let me pull up oil. I was looking at oil a little bit. Um,
SMT, man. I don't know. Go might just crash out. We're gonna see. Because I'm just saying, like, the SMT is strong though.
I ain't gonna lie, everything is looking very, very identical right now. Literally everything.
It's crazy. I only say it from like a 15-minute perspective though. I don't know, but I will the SMT, you know,
mm,
it's Monday though, so there's no rush, but it's
Monday, 7 minutes, guys, to open. Let me go take miso out. If someone wants to share the screen, I'll be back in like 5.
mm. What's wrong with this? It's not letting me. Okay, cool. It's tripping. share my screen. So I'm gonna share my screen. Yeah. Some of these cells here on gold, right? I'm just because we had this aggressive push up on silver. Gold fell to make higher highs. So this to me is like SMT. I mean, it's not. It is SMT. So what I am watching now is from a 15-minute perspective. Keep in mind everything I said about a 1 hour chart. Do we have the ability? Oh Lord. This price get held back here on gold. That's kind of what I'm watching. And let's have a little stop loss. Let's put it right here. So that's kind of what I'm watching on gold. I do want to see price just drift lower from here. So this price have the ability to find its way to these lows here. And if I'm being real, it's just me being extra. I want to see us go all the way down here. Is
X.
it possible? I don't know, but that's kind of where my brain is at on gold. Like these lows right here is what I'm like. I want to see price go crazy.
Yeah, especially that Sunday gap.
Yeah, but do we get it? I don't know. So I'm just kind of like
Miso.
watching slowly here. But we did have a SMT where these highs were taken on silver, but not on gold. And we're in this 15-minute level. So ideally, this should hold. If we start trading outside of that, then that's a problem for this whole trade. That's what I'm watching. We want to look at Nasdaq. What's Nasdaq doing? Oh shit! Kid doing some dumb stuff. In a second. So nothing on Nasdaq per se, but let's just keep watching gold. See this reaction that we get here. For gold, I'll watch these lows here. If we do get some momentum, we drop in here, and depending on how if we do trade below here, if we trade aggressively, then use this as resistance, then drop price even further lower. We have the 8:30 opening price. Looks like S&P is going through the roof. I'm looking at Nasdaq for a second. Yep, they're all pushing. Sheesh. I'm just gonna focus on gold still, but pushing. S&P rate took out previous days. Pretty much took out Friday's high. So price getting to interesting spots, man. That's all I gotta say. Very interesting spots. Even for NASDAQ. Like
Think we finna start trading down.
what you saying?
Think we finna start trading down.
Very possible. I mean, so I'm really gonna be flipping through my charts, honestly.
Oh yeah. I'm in shorts.
And
Oh
keep
shit,
shorts.
market open. Shit.
It's
Yo,
good.
can y'all hear me? Yep.
Mhm.
All right, cool. You know what's happening?
Yankee shorts do look good.
But, all right, let's see what's happening. Oh, 30's out of there. Can you think you in 30?
Uh, Looking at that fair value gap it just went to the far fair value gap when it I didn't get in. So kind of missed out on that one. But
It's not
I was
80.
gonna do a breakdown, but I'm on my other laptop, so I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
All
But
right.
y'all broke it down pretty well, so
Yeah, so I'm using 30 minutes, 27 minutes. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, ooh, MSTR. Hold on. MSTR.
Need
look
some good sells here.
at that 5 minute candle. Sheesh.
My demo sells right here.
Ooh, 300 points in the last 5 minutes. Wow.
Oh, that's strong.
That is strong, bro.
Very strong. But this pullback gonna be stronger
Well, I
if it
went pull
decides
back
to
to
pull
where because
back.
on the 4 hour it already rebalanced the price range on the 4 hour. Where do you think it's gonna pull back to, Edric?
Uh, at least midnight opening.
Missed it. Fuck. Multiple things are going on here. Focus real quick. Focus. Focus. You sell? Oh, I click sell. Good, man.
Yeah, I'm in sales.
Yeah, I thought I clicked sell the whole time. I'm
Oh
like,
yeah,
oh,
Casey,
just
you
not
might
showing.
you might need to log out of paper trade and log back in. You be doing that sometimes. So now you probably go be in like six contracts.
Eesh.
Yeah, it's just weird sometimes. Yep.
Okay, six contracts. We're gonna put this stop loss. Let's see. Not bad. Let's see if it makes sense. Yeah, not bad.
Yep, let's go.
What is gold doing at the same time? Gold is still dropping.
Come on, Nasdaq.
Gold is pushing.
It is.
Hey, Monty, multiple trades though.
Yeah.
Now the question is, let me try to slow down. Where does Nasdaq go? Is the question now. I mean, I do want to see this taken, but I don't know if we get all of that though. Yo, let's see a Nasdaq. That turn up there. Yeah, my stop loss in place, but the way price just turned up real quick. Mm-mm-mm.
Also SMT with ES.
See, I don't like that turn up in price.
Don't either.
But it's
That
okay.
trend.
It's okay. I'm looking at 15 seconds. I'm going to 30 second actually.
Yeah, it's probably waiting till news.
Oh, we have news. What are we even doing? We have news in like 20 minutes. I mean, you can still offer these sales, but you know, with this dancing around, I feel more better at news. We'll
Might as well
see.
wait for somebody to be liquidated.
Mm-hmm. Probably what I'm gonna do.
This computer's tweet.
Let me even get off my gold positions too.
Yeah, I'm thinking
You know,
getting
I
up
think
mine
gold is
too.
probably gonna be solid. Let me see.
Yeah,
I'll
so
just leave gold alone. Whatever.
yeah.
I'll leave gold alone. Gold could just crash out. I'm gonna leave Nasdaq alone too. I'm just gonna let it play out. It's already pushing. The thing is, we already had SMT take place. Like S&P 500 rates took our previous day's high, so it kind of makes it like
Yeah,
this race just hit already. You know, I don't think Chap will a real struggle.
Yeah, 30 second look great.
it seems like they want to go.
I'm gonna solely focus on Nasdaq at this point. I'm gonna just let
So
gold do it.
Yeah, and then doing gold.
Got gold anymore. Let's see. We'll do it. Cool. Take it to Nasdaq.
wants to.
There goes NASDAQ. Now the question is, how low can we go? Because we're really about to hit a 1 hour fair value gap, and that could just be enough. Regular trading hour. Hmm. Hmm. Let's really keep on pushing lower to Friday's close, perhaps.
Maybe so.
Yeah, but that's like a reach. See, it's 1 hour fair value gap here. This alone could really stop price. This little gap here might be a good time to take some off. What is S&P doing? Oh yeah, S&P is not even dropping. S&P not even dropping, Brody.
Yeah, I think we're. Mm-hmm.
That could be up. That could
Yep.
be it, right?
Yep. 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 Yep.
I'll see it right there. Starts breaking highs, then I'll get out of the way. But what time's right now? Yeah, dude. Part of me just wants to wait till news, but let me do this instead. Since I'm contemplating, I'm just gonna move my stop loss to these highs, dude. If it knocks it out, it knocks it out. Risk well reduced because we did see S&P have any drop at all, so this can really just turn all the way around.
Yeah, it's going. It's gonna turn around.
Hmm. And what is US 30 doing at the same time?
Still pushing right now.
It's pushing higher. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 30 looks retarded.
Yeah,
Shit.
it don't make
It,
sense.
it literally looks silly as hell.
No, 30 looks like it is going for something. Yeah. So wait for news.
That's like almost 500 points, bro.
No, 30's insane, bro. It's doing all-time highs? Nah, close enough. Yeah, it's just gonna sit back and wait now because even with gold, I'm just gonna let it play out. But like nothing really the best thing to do is to wait till news. So I'm just gonna let it play out. Ooh, okay, cool.
Damn, 30 didn't even give it a chance.
It'd be a crazy to see now just drop off from here.
Yeah, I definitely think I'm looking at the 5 minute fair value gap.
I think everything's invalid right now to 10 o'clock at this point. That's how I feel.
Very true.
Once that news, yeah, I ain't even. Every other trade's really dead. Dead, 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 dead. That's until.
Wow. Gold is going higher. Okay.
S&P, everything just pushing, bro. It's ridiculous. That's what goes on now. Yep, gold wants to push. Especially the way it closed right here. It's gonna be a push. I was right in getting out those trades ahead of time because I know that this 10 o'clock is gonna offer something. Look at Nasdaq, dude. Like, look at Nasdaq and S&P. Just calling out the charts here. It's like Nasdaq's in this 4 hour little range, just a little drop here. We did mention we want to see price go higher, but looking at S&P, the rate took out those highs.
Mm-hmm.
So let's want to go for these highs. And then on a broader spectrum, on the daily chart, we did have this SMT take place. Look at NASDAQ. Lower highs there. So we'll see. I mean, I want to be bullish on this thing, but I want to see it drop first. Maybe it doesn't even do that. It just keeps on going higher today, like US 30. US 30 is like, ha! Hey, US 30 gives no F's right now, bro. Like, it's just,
No fucks.
look at this, bro. Like, what is this? That is crazy.
That's insane. Fuck. Damn.
It's crazy, bro.
Oh, gold is out of there.
You taking off, huh?
Yeah, gone.
Oh, yeah. Also, hit these lows. Give a nice pullback right here.
Yeah, that 5 minute inversion. Yeah. I'm just claim.
Pullback.
Yeah, let's
What
go.
y'all see now, fellas?
Nothing for me. I mean,
This is trash.
yeah,
The
I'm just
XY is going lower.
It's gonna go lower for
Yeah.
sure. It just waiting until news.
thank you.
DXY. MSTR pushing. Bitcoin made a higher high.
Thank you. Yeah, dollar just took these highs. Yeah, I can see it's dropping.
Yeah.
1 hour chart.
Obviously like 98500 possibly.
Do we want to see NASDAQ still drop? Let's see. The question is from where?
Nasdaq is drunk right now.
It says what?
I said Nasdaq is drunk right now.
It is. It's waiting for that 10 o'clock. Push. This is what I'll be watching. They'll see if we get anything.
Sheesh. Thirty starts pulling back. Could be good for Nasdaq to go lower. Check out some type of liquidity. Hmm. 9 more minutes.
And that bitch, ooh, yeah, it's a lot of barcode action.
Barcode, and that's the funny one. Barcode and action. Maybe get some here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Nasdaq wants to crash.
It does.
I can damn near feel it now.
As soon as 1 hour range here. Chart.
Wait, I'm waiting on this pullback for 30, man. Being patient.
Pull back for buys.
Mhm. You bearish 30?
I'm not just not gonna touch 30. Like that joint.
Mhm.
Hey, that joint already went to a different stratosphere. Like
Nah, for real. The one target, like I like to trade when I have safe targets. The one target, everything just kind of got warped up in 15 minutes or an hour, like 400 points. That was 400 points of range that I knew is obviously biased. You know what I'm saying? With the liquidity above, it just took out 4 hour liquidity. Hasn't well on US 30 is taking out. Oh wow, it just took out the
All time high.
all-time highs. Yeah. Oh shit, that's cooked.
so I don't even want to touch it at that point.
That's cooked. Fuck.
Sheesh.
Maybe we can see a strong closure above these all-time highs and then a retracement.
Or a wick.
Yeah.
Bitcoin is is out of there. DXY is gone. Yeah, I should have bought Euro. It's Monday, 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 Monday.
Yep. Nothing to really do. This is what gold is doing. But Nasdaq gone. I think Nasdaq gonna
Nasdaq
sink.
is gonna crash out. It's not going nowhere.
It's not going nowhere while gold is taking off. So I mean, gold pullbacks though. Hey, this is a nice little pullback area for gold. Pullback.
For buys? Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
What area you talking about? Let me see.
Um, what did I just do? Oh, this 5 minute level, this order block here. I think if price drops in there,
Okay, nice. Yeah, I see that.
that's a
5 minutes.
solid buy. Honestly, even on the 15 minute level. So if it drops in there,
Yeah.
that really could take price to 4469. So that would be like a $30 move.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, because on the daily chart, it's kind of like this is a volume imbalance here, daily chart. So it's like price probably gonna trade into that. So I'll just wait on a pullback. Here, I'll take that. Mhm. I'll take that. I'm just gonna put a buy limit there. Buy limit. I mean, stop loss. Boom. TP. Boom.
Yeah, 30.
Okay.
No trade.
Doesn't do nothing crazy.
Seems like a no trade day.
Eventually.
Maybe I'll put that 440 just for fun. 440. Let's go with that. Right here. Might as well be in the trade. Mm-hmm. Oh, no. Gold, but with the Nasdaq still.
Mm-mm. Oh, all right, guys, 1 minute, 15 seconds actually. Log into my Ninja Trader. Press the buttons to leave. Oh, there goes the news. It's DXY
Go
news.
do what it's supposed to do.
Trying to. What's 30 doing? Still pushing. Oh God. Oh, DXY is out of there. Oh man. So it's out of there. Yeah, it's looking like a no trade day for me.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
I'm at least about to start back testing. Be productive.
Something's tripping. 1 second. Okay. Can you imagine?
Hmm.
Mm-mm-mm.
Sales, NASDAQ. I missed it. Shows. Oh my goodness. I should press that sell.
You know, it's already
If
ready
that's how
for
I'm feeling, I kind of want to press the sell button.
I would have pressed it. I just saw S&P take out 1 minute highs. And this 5 minute fair value gap is holding. It's probably gonna drop price.
No, gold is gone.
No pullback.
mm.
Mhm.
Only thing I can see is potential US 30 shorts, but do I really want to counter trend trade? I don't know.
This is like I said, barcode action though at the same time. Let me see. What did 9:30 even start? Hey, that's a new one. Barcode action.
What does that even mean?
What does a barcode look like?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh man. Ain't nothing going on.
Nothing.
All the volume was during the holidays. Mhm.
It's time to press short B now though.
Yeah.
But I don't know how I feel. Like it's just like this barcode action is like unsettling. I'd rather not do shit.
What are you trying to short, NASDAQ?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna short nothing. I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines. There's nothing to do.
We got a full week ahead of us, bro.
Yeah, there's literally nothing to do. It's not clear. Barcode action. Yeah, that's a new one. I'm sorry. Barcode. Look at this 5 minute chart. Look at this barcode price action for real. Wake up, down, up, down. Ain't nothing going on, bro. Nathan. Gold just decided to take off. No pullback.
Yep, just took out the highs.
Wow.
Wow.
Going.
Yeah, so what the buy started happened at 7:30 after that flashbang, close to midnight opening down
Yes,
50,000.
bro. Right, a new week opening gap below.
Oh my
Bro,
God.
this is actually the cleanest chart. Sales
Yeah.
were valid here. Then the
Yeah.
buys pull back here. Let me take a look on a 1 minute chart. Something got hit. What got hit? Oh, gold. Okay, yeah. Cool. Yeah, it's going. No remorse. Let me see what silver's doing. Going. Yeah, Brody. Only if he gave that freaking pullback. What's Nasdaq doing? Nothing. I mean, was Friday a big day? Oh yeah, that's why, dude. Like, it's nothing to do to like, if anything, PM session, if anything. Friday was a crazy day, dude. Like, ain't really nothing to do. You know, ICT says after a big day is like you want to avoid AM session actually. So this is nothing. Gold is out of there. Man, this is a nice market maker buy model though on a 5 minute chart. Sheesh. So got these lows. Pull back right here. That was a nice little entry. News did not give us the pullback we're waiting for. Once this pullback in here, then I was gonna take the buys. Had a limit set, but nothing there. Especially on the 15-minute chart, you'd think that on the 15-minute chart, do this. I want to see what's price as it closed above here, 15-minute fair value gap, just to give us a little pullback and then go higher. to the target is going to now, but we didn't get that pullback. And it happens sometimes. That's what's going to happen. You're not always going to get what the trade you want. 5-minute perspective, again, we want to see this drop this nice little order block here at the news. But news just went straight for the straight higher. So we didn't get that pullback either, which again is okay. It's Monday. So no harm. We didn't take any trades after news. The one trade I was successful today, I called in the chat, was a sell here. Boom. And the other trades kind of figured out we're probably not going to be valid due to news being released. And again, upon news release, we want to see a pullback. We didn't get that pullback, and price already went pretty much to its target. So at this point, I mean, I'm not excited about doing anything per se. I don't think there's much excitement unless we get another pullback down here. Then I'll watch and see if it's access support, and I still would like to take buys, but this looks like it's just going to keep going. NASDAQ, as Liquid said, this barcode price action is back and forth. Ain't nothing going on here. So does price go higher, go lower? I don't really care at this moment. I think on PM session would probably be best to visit. It's ready. 10 o'clock. I mean, I don't see anything promising unless you guys see something else. But for me, I don't see nothing promising. Wait, were y'all hearing me talk the whole time, or was I on mute?
Mute.
Wait, so you didn't hear nothing I said about?
Nope.
Oh my God. I went through a whole spiel. So what I was saying was on gold, we wanted to see a pullback after news. We didn't get it, but price obviously is on its way to its targets. The cleanest trade was gold. I did call these sells in the chat from here to here. It was all called in the Texas Heist chat. So if you're not in it, hop in it. We call trades, not just on the live here. Honestly, we're really just supposed to analyze the charts, but when we feel like being more gracious, then we stay on longer. But I did call the sell here on NASDAQ. I mean on gold, which dropped here. And we had a nice little swing low formation. Price pulled back, created another nice little swing point here, then went higher. But we're being cautious because at the end of the day, news was going to release, and we wanted to see at least a pullback based right off of news release, a pullback into these down close candles here, which we never got. So right on that direction in terms of expecting it to go higher, but 10 o'clock just went straight up higher instead of going lower, and that happens sometimes. So you can expect to get everything right to a T, but we were right on where we were expecting price to go. It just didn't give us that pullback at 10 o'clock. So that's that for gold. And then NASDAQ again, just a bunch of, like Liquid called it, barcode price action, a bunch of back and forths going on here. You can see all these little wicks up and down. Not really interested in this price action. We did get a nice little pullback here after trading above this 5-minute fair value gap I highlighted here. That it's likely going to push price higher, but like it's still just not interesting. This is not the price that I really want to trade. And it's also Monday. So that being said, I mean, if anything, maybe the PM session offers something, maybe it does not. I'm not really impressed as to what I'm seeing here on price. So for me, there's really nothing to do. No buttons needs to be pressed at this moment. I don't know if you guys have any other thought process on it, but I don't really see nothing exciting here that looks like it can yield any solid results or where we can put our capital at risk. I think these markets are very tight and constricted right now, especially after a big day, a big drop on Friday.
Agreed.
So PM session might be more appropriate, but even with that, the structure has to make sense. Right now, everything just looks very constricted. And
Yeah.
the new term, this is barcode price action. Ain't nothing going on. It's like scanner, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing to do.
Yeah. Only thing I could potentially see is a retracement for US 30. The only thing.
US 30, 30, 30, bro.
It's the only thing I can see.
Let me see 30, Brody. Maybe there's something I might see there as well.
I see potential sales on 30.
Yeah, we just need to wait for a nice structure shift on the 1 minute, but or some type of inverse FVG, but nothing right now. Nothing right.
It looks like once the all-time highs though.
Wait, what chart are you looking at? It's already took all-time highs. What the fuck? Hold on. What in the
This
world?
always happens, bro. This always happens.
Oh my God. Okay, so I'm on the continuous one. You on the March.
Wait, it didn't take it on the futures because it just took it on the forex.
What the fuck?
No, I didn't take on futures.
I mean, I don't know. What in the world?
Wait, which one? Casey, this is futures one you're showing right now?
It's a current contract.
Yeah, the continuous one took it, but looks like March did it. That's hella confusing. So could probably still keep pushing up there. I don't even know now.
This is like a F. What happened that just made this go boom, bro?
That don't make sense.
Set up for the year. Something.
Yeah, it is Monday.
Literally the first Monday, first. Oh, no, it's not the first trading Monday, is it?
Yeah.
It's not the first trading day, no, but
No, no, that's the first trading Monday because last week.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see what Kane's saying. If it pulls back, then yeah, I can see buys one more time. But fucking, I don't want to trade this stuff, bro. Like,
I damn near want to close my charts.
Yeah.
you don't want to?
I said I damn near want to close my charts.
Yeah, I'm about to in a second.
Yeah. Back to some watch some ICT.
Nah, for real, this is great. This is great discipline, bro. We don't always have to take trades just because we show up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And gold probably gonna offer these buys, but again, I'm not even gonna press it. But this is probably. Let me make sure actually before I say something. Sorry for a second. Mm. This looks like some cool buys, but I'm not gonna touch it. Already, it's out of my rule book. It's already above every opening price. So if anything, I'd rather be selling this thing, but I don't feel like doing that either at this point. 1 hour chart. Yeah. 4 hour chart. So I just want stuff for gold.
DXY is crashing the fuck out.
For real.
Yeah. I'm finna go ahead and go make some breakfast. I'll join in about 5 back.
Oh shit. All right, man.
I think we should end this because there's nothing going on. Oh yeah, DXY is going nuts. By the way. Hey,
Yeah.
what's your USD doing? Just for
It's
commentary.
buying, bro. So I should have waited till today to buy, not yesterday, man. Shit.
Yes, bro. You really
Shit.
should have. Saw it crash out. It's like How do I go to? I don't have
I
this. I
like
don't keep using charts anymore.
I like right now it's for a retracement for a lower high, then
The 4x for a second. Euro USD for fun.
sure. Oh, okay, it could create a 1 hour for value gap potentially. Oh, weekly for value gap two, daily for value gap two.
Yeah, weekly fair value gap.
Yeah, I should not have been buying this thing.
Yeah, daily fair value gap. Very
Daily
solid
order
daily fair.
block. Yeah, yeah,
Yep.
yeah,
Very, very solid. And then
yeah.
4 hour. Basically, we're just bored guys because we just go to freaking Euro USD right now. Nothing to do. 4 hour. Nice strong pullback. We have a clear 4 hour fair value gap here. So price is very likely to get in there. Minimum. Let's go to 1 hour chart for a second. Let's kind of label this up. 5 o'clock. It's at 5 o'clock. January 5th. Why is my mouse being weird? Anyways, why does it say 102? Am I tripping? Anyways, I'm gonna ignore that for now. But price drop lower, 50-minute chart. This is actually very nice.
Yes.
A pullback is still actually appropriate buys. If it pulls back in here, this is actually still a nice little
Hell yeah. I'm in that bitch. I promise.
a
Promise, bro.
nice pullback is a solid buy here. For shit show.
I swear I'm
No
in the
question.
Bitcoin higher.
You calling a 505K challenge, man. Free challenge. Caught in there,
No,
you know what
for
I mean?
real.
Trying to run up a bag. Y'all let us know. Put in the chat 500 to 5K challenge. We're having a free challenge where we're calling out trades and we're just trying to run up, our accounts from 500 to 5K. So if you want to join in on that journey, let us know. We can send information. And you just gotta sign up with us and then we're calling trades free trades and yeah, we're just showing the trades we're taking. And then if you want to join the take and see if we can run up our accounts up, then do that. Yeah, so Euro looks good though. I mean, if it does pull back, but times right now, this would be like a what's the risk reward on this if it does give it to us? It's really going though. I'm really cool on this, bro. Let me see Nasdaq one more time. The only chart I really like is Nasdaq in terms of where I just trade. Nothing. Just oh my gosh. Hey man, let's end this stuff because I'm just at this point, my brain
Yeah.
about to fried, bro. Like I'm just looking at shit.
Yeah.
Trying to make shit up in your head.
Yeah,
Trying
there's nothing
to convince
just
yourself that this is a good looking, but it's not.
yeah, bro. Cool.
All right, solid
I'm
guys.
gonna start taking sales now. Let me get off these charts and wait for PM session because
Yeah.
oh man.
There's
Yeah.
some
All right.
trades. There's some trades to take, but there's no opportunity. Like there's some trades you can take, but is there a grade A opportunity though? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Not at all.
All right, guys. Well, we'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Same time, 7:30, 7:45. Once again, join that chat, guys. Join the chat. You can find us on IG, Texas Heist INC, and then there's a link in the bio to join the chat. So yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and end this then. All right, y'all. I'll text y'all. Text y'all boys.